my job is basically product strategy, the design, definition, and delivery of our products. But we've brought to X3 the cloud. That doesn't mean that X3 is only cloud. Why? Because our customers, our joint customers, need on-premise and cloud and private cloud, right? If I said to you X3 is only in the cloud, what would you say? No, Steve's saying no in the middle there. All right? That's our strategy with X3. We're continuing to improve usability, access through mobile devices, and so on and so on. Huge investment in X3 today and going forward. So that was a very, very short talk about, how we're leading in products like X3, the most global ERP in the world, the most accessible, the quickest to deploy, and so on. We saw that artificial intelligence is going to be the thing. You saw the robotics. You saw what is happening in the world. And we're not following that, and we're not thinking about it. We're doing it. Peg, the chatbot we released last summer, has 20,000 users now. Imagine a world where you say, Alexa, run my payroll. Alexa, who owes me money? Alexa, where am I at with my cash flow? That's our fantasy, ladies and gentlemen. We're building that right now with Amazon. We're leveraging our existing assets. We're building leading global products like Sage X3, products that exist. We build once and we deploy everywhere. And we are absolutely transforming our industry through real-time accounting and artificial intelligence.
How do we sell to an enterprise? We don't talk about features and functions, we talk about disruption. So SMAC is the third platform, social, mobile, analytics, and cloud. My favorite topic. We've trained the sales teams all over Africa and the Middle East to do the pitch. It's upsetting the domain, it's upsetting technology, and it has a massive capability to disrupt. We heard that from Deloitte Digital. CIOs are no longer engineers, they become pioneers. And when you're talking to a pioneer, you need to change your conversation. Business process analysts are becoming data scientists. I saw we employed a data scientist at Sage recently. So what I want to do is finish up with a cool movie, which is us using a messaging service, and we're using just a normal chatbot service, and we're kind of going to say hi to Peg. Peg's very polite, comes back to us with a nice response. Now, we want to start interrogating X3 data. So we want to know, what are my open orders at this point in time? Within a few seconds, the open orders will appear. That's directly out of X3. Let's pick on tomato paste. You can always tell our process management data, manufacturing data that's in the system. We pick up tomato paste, and we say, give me the delivery date of this tomato paste. Immediately responding, X3 says it's for 1st of March, I think it is, in Arabian Standard Time. So it is also picking up where we are in the world. What we're then doing is we're going into X3. Obviously, you're looking at it in the browser. For those of you who don't know, it runs on all the browsers, okay? So we're technology agnostic. It also runs on devices called Android, Apple, and Microsoft. So we got that waxed as well. We're going to change the delivery date from the 1st of March, and we're going to update the system, accept the change, and we'll go back to Peg and ask the question, what's changed? So you see us saving in the application. We'll go back to the chatbot. Peg will then be asked the question, and again, it will update and tell us the change of the delivery date. And it should say the 7th of March, which it does. And I really, really say a huge thank you to my closet techies there in Dubai that love this stuff. Success is going to be directed by you using our technology.